Good morning, Mr. Brochure. My name is Matthew with Burtness Chevrolet here in Orfordville, Wisconsin. Here's your 2019 Express van, 1 ton, certified pre-owned vehicle. It's a one-owner vehicle. I know you spoke to Heather earlier. This does have that little dent here in the bumper. I know you were inquiring about the rear hatch in the back as well. That was a wheelchair access and a locking down system. Another thing I want to mention, this vehicle does have brand new tires on it all the way around. It does have a couple scratches on it. There's a little bit of wear on it. Nothing bad, nothing out of the ordinary. Other than that, this vehicle is very nice. It does have navigation, remote start, power windows and locks, tow package, heavy duty cooling. I'm sure you probably grabbed the bars on it and checked it out. But overall, this is a very nice van. Rear vision camera. I want to go ahead and show you the latch system they had here. What it was a wheelchair access. We did take the actual lift off and donate it here to the city. So if you have any more questions on this vehicle, please don't hesitate to call me and we can get this thing going for you. Thank you.